Arpita. So today I'll be sharing this makeup look. So far it's one of my favorite makeup look. So recently मैंने कुछ new makeup products purchase की थी नायका से, पर्पल से. So I thought कि क्यों ना मैं इन सारी चीज़ों को लेके एक try on makeup look create करूँ. अगर ये वीडियो आप लोगों को पसंद आए then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, which is completely free, and press that bell icon so that you will never miss out my any updates. So let's get started with my today's video. Today we will start with our eye makeup, and first I will do my eyebrows for that, and I will be using my Music Flower gel eyeliner in the shade brown. So let's do it. उसके बाद I will just highlight my eyebrows and conceal my dark circles so that जो भी मैं कलर अप्लाई करूँ वो उभर के आए. My face with a translucent powder, and this is the powder which is Stay Quirky translucent powder in the shade yellow. Guys, for eyeshadow I'll be using this Miss Claire eyeshadow palette, and you can see the red color over here. तो वही red color को मैं apply करूँगी क्योंकि I'm wearing a red dress. So then I will be using this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadows. तो पहले मैं अप्लाई करूँगी ये 05 in my crease area. इनर कॉर्नर पे अप्लाई करूँगी 03. So now I will be applying this Bella Vosley primer. This much. Guys, let's apply our foundation, but for foundation I'm not gonna use any foundation properly because I will be using this one. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This is a full coverage concealer. So today I'll be using only this one, and I'm not gonna color correct my face because I don't have like any pigmentation right now on my face. So this is currently my shade. This is in the shade 12. बाद में अप्लाई करूँगी ट्रांसलूशन पाउडर, एंड दिस इज द स्टे क्वर्की ट्रांसलूशन पाउडर अगेन. मैं अप्लाई कर लूँगी थोड़ा सा रेड कलर. Makeup is done and my base is also done. Then I'll be using this palette from LA Colors, and इसमें है blush, contour and highlighter. So I'll be using all these shades, and first of all I'll be using this shade, this dark shade, to just contour my face over here. I'll be using these two colors. using this white color to just highlight my eyebrows. I will set my face with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish Spray, setting spray. Okay guys, for lipstick I will be using this Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Heartbreaker. So this is a hot red color. I just love this one.